Then suddenly he screams. "Ouch! Ouch!" he cries. Something bit his nose. Bruno freaks out and throws tantrum like a puppy on the ground. Here's the story of Oliver, the dog with a short tail. Oliver and the big bad Bruno. Oliver is in the garage, busy playing with his bone. What he doesn't know, Bruno, the neighbor's dog, has been watching him outside the gate. Bruno is a Labrador. He has dark brown hair and is really huge. Bruno doesn't have a good reputation in the neighborhood. He is loud and aggressive. He likes to bully other dogs. And now, he's on the chance to make fun of Oliver. Luckily for Bruno, Oliver's person opens the gate to throw some garbage. Oliver follows his person. Bruno takes advantage and sneaks in. He quickly grabs with his big mouth the bone and runs away. After that, he goes to the vacant lot across the street, puts down the bone, and starts to dig. Meanwhile, Oliver has decided to return to his bone. He goes back inside the garage and finds out that his bone is missing. He goes round and round, searching for his bone. Oliver starts to cry. "Where is my bone?" Across the street, he sees Bruno busy digging. Oliver becomes suspicious. I think he's up to something. Curious, Oliver looks closer to what Bruno is doing. Then, alas, he sees his bone right beside the pit that Bruno is making. "Hey, that's mine!" But he can't go near Bruno. He's scared of him. Well, who isn't? What am I going to do? Oliver asks himself. Silently, he watches as the pit goes deeper. He realizes that as the pit goes deeper, Bruno's head sinks deeper into the pit too. Oliver thought of a plan. He waits for Bruno's head and upper torso to bury into the ditch. Very carefully, he crawls a little close to where Bruno is digging. When Oliver sees that the upper body of Bruno is inside the pit already, he quickly bites his bone and runs in a jiffy. He runs as fast as he can till he enters the gate. Oliver is breathing so hard. His whole body is shaking. He is horrified by Bruno, but he can't believe he did it. In the meantime, Bruno has no idea that the bone which he had planned to hide in the pit is already gone. He continuously digs. Then suddenly he screams, "Ouch! Ouch!" he cries. Something bit his nose. Bruno freaks out and throws tantrum like a puppy on the ground. Upon seeing this, Oliver starts laughing and laughing.
"That serves you right,"
he said. The end.
Hi, did you enjoy the story? Well, if you did, click the like button. And if you want to see more of Oliver's stories and learn more English expressions, then I suggest you click the subscribe button too. And next to it is the bell button. Click that and you'll receive notice every time I have a new published video.
And now, he's on the chance to make fun of Oliver. On the chance. It means in the possibility, but usually unlikely or slightly to happen. How to use. This phrase is used as a subjective complement to tell about the situation or condition of a noun or a subject. This phrase is used to tell about a chance of an event to happen. Bruno is on the chance to make fun of Oliver. However, the possibility is slightly to happen. That's because the gates in the garage of Oliver are closed. This phrase is sometimes used with "of," which means slightly possible. More example. I'm going to apply for the job on the chance that they hire me, even if I don't have any experience. On the off chance you win and I lose in this game, the prize will go to the charity. Bruno takes advantage and sneaks in. Sneak in. This means to enter a place quietly and in secret. Synonym, creep in. How to use. This expression is used as a verb. In the simple present, sneak in or sneaks in. In the simple past, sneaked in or snuck in. In the progressive tense, sneaking in. In the simple future, will sneak in. Bruno sneaks in the garage. It means Bruno enters the garage quietly and secretly. More example. Martha catches her student John sneaking in the back door of the auditorium. The thieves tried to sneak in, but the guard saw them. Across the street, he sees Bruno busy digging. Oliver becomes suspicious. I think he's up to something. Be up to something. In this story, be up to something means to be scheming or designing a plan that is harmful, doing secretly something that is wrong or not good. How to use. This phrase is used as a verb. In simple present, am, is, are up to something. In simple past, was, were up to something. This expression is similar to be up to no good. Oliver becomes suspicious of Bruno. He thinks that Bruno is up to something. He thinks that Bruno is doing something that is going to harm somebody. More example. I knew it. Jerry was up to something when he didn't show up. He planned to sabotage the show. Be careful, Judith. When that girl is quiet, she's up to something. When Oliver sees that the upper body of Bruno is inside the pit already, he quickly bites his bone and runs in a jiffy. In a jiffy, it means very fast, right away, very soon. Synonyms: quickly, instantly, immediately. How to use. In a jiffy is used as an adjective to describe how an action happened. Question: how does Oliver run? Answer: in a jiffy. Oliver runs in a jiffy. More example. Sandra's boyfriend left in a jiffy when he heard her father arrived. We have to go in a jiffy. I don't want our teacher to see us here. In the meantime, Bruno has no idea that the bone which he had planned to hide in the pit is already gone. In the meantime, this expression means at the time when someone else is happening, during the intervening time. Synonym: simultaneously. Meanwhile. How to use. This phrase is used as an adverb. It tells about a time between two simultaneous events. During the time, Oliver is in the garage, breathing hard and shaking. In the meantime, Bruno is continuously digging because he has no idea that the bone is already gone. At that same time, those two events are happening. Do not mistake the phrase for the meantime, which has another meaning. More example. Barbara is busy playing her favorite online game. In the meantime, her baby girl is crying because she's hungry. Finish this project. In the meantime, I'm taking a vacation.
That serves you right,
he said. Serve one right. To deserve the punishment, penalty, consequence, or misfortune for doing something improper. How to use. This expression is used as a verb. In the simple present, serve you, them, us, right. Or serves me, her, him, right. In the simple past, served you, them, us, me, her, or him, right. This idiom uses serve similar to justly, that someone justly receives something as consequence of his action. When Oliver saw what happened to Bruno, he said, "That serves you right." He only meant that whatever happened to Bruno, he deserved it. It was just just because he did something wrong or improper. More example. That imprisonment verdict just serves him right. He's such a bad man. The punishment serves us right. What we did was really wrong.
Thanks, guys, and see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.